Ceiling height drives comfort and code compliance, so use a reliable thumb rule before you finalize plans. For most habitable rooms, aim for a minimum ceiling height of 8 feet to provide comfortable clearances for occupants and typical fixtures. Where structural elements or mechanical runs interfere, a 7-foot 6-inch finish height can be acceptable in limited areas such as under beams or ducts, but only after confirming local building code allowances and how those changes affect egress and ventilation. When planning open-plan living or rooms meant to feel spacious, design for 9-foot ceilings where feasible, because that extra foot improves daylight penetration and perceived volume without changing the same floor footprint. Coordinate early with your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing designers so routing of ducts and structural members does not force repeated lowered soffits that fragment usable height. Use a simple section drawing at 1:50 scale on paper or digital software to confirm clearances from finished floor to finished ceiling at critical points such as over counters, stairs, and corridors. If renovating, measure finished floor to underside of existing structure and factor in required finished ceiling materials plus new insulation or sound treatment that can reduce clear height. Common mistakes start with assuming every room can be the same height, which ignores required beams, ductwork, and stair headroom. Solve this by mapping mechanical and structural routes first and establishing a primary finished ceiling plane for most areas to minimize drop zones. Another issue is using local code minimums as the design target, which produces cramped spaces. Address that by treating minimums as absolute bottoms and aiming 1 foot higher in living spaces when budgets allow. A third frequent problem is poor coordination between trades that leads to multiple successive soffits and visual clutter. Prevent this by holding a coordination meeting with contractor, structural engineer, and mechanical designer to agree on unified routing or bulkhead locations before ordering finishes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find project ideas related to ceiling design and remodeling, while our site also helps contractors showcase their work and find new jobs. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips on ceiling heights, duct routing, and realistic cost expectations.